Easiest way to propagate spider plant. You can see there are some shoots coming out like this. So we will choose the healthiest shoot. Here I can see one very healthy one because we want our next plant to be a healthy one. So we will pluck this shoot. See, it has come out from here. Now it is very simple. We will just put it in a glass of water for a couple of days. This is another one which I had done a few days back. Now you can see there is a root coming out of it. It is ready to be planted. We will plant it in a pot. This is a pot I have already prepared for it. We will simply put it here, like digging a small hole like this, and cover it so that the roots are covered, and leave it. It's a well drained pot and the soil is. I have made 13-14 plants out of this one spider plant. It propagates very fast and it is a very good indoor plant.